this waterhole in Botswana, a drought is bearing down. And it has helped spark a revolt so unexpected, it's hardly ever been witnessed, let alone caught on film. In fact, what you're about to see is so extreme, it rarely happens at all. In a fluke of nature, the lions here have become elephant slayers. They began by attacking baby elephants. And with each taste of their enemy's blood, they grew even bolder. Now, with the rains looming on the horizon, they're about to do something even more extreme. Attack a full-grown female. They quickly surround her. But success is far from certain. She's 5 times the size of a calf. 7 lions wrestle her 10-foot, 8,000-pound bulk to its knees. This time, they've bitten into more than they can chew. Although she's wounded, the elephant still has the strength to defy the lions. But she leaves behind a pride whose hunger for elephants will likely only grow.